Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y200 and let me show you how to activate night mode. But first, open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here you will notice eye protection mode. So all you have to do to activate it is to use this toggle. From now on it is active. But if you will tap on the left side of the button, you will be able to schedule it for some particular time. Just click on schedule and now you can activate it from sunset to sunrise, just like this, or at custom hours. And then you just have to personalize the hours. So the scale allows you to change the intensity however you like, and whenever you want to switch the timer, the eye protection off, just unmark the stop toggle. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.